bite off more than you can chew. This is a common English idiom that you will hear often in everyday conversations. Today, we learn exactly what it means and how to use it correctly. This idiom means to take on too much. When someone bites off more than they can chew, they attempt more work or responsibility than they can actually handle or manage well. It shows you have accepted something too difficult for your ability. The idiom comes from eating food. Imagine biting a piece that is too big for your mouth. You cannot chew it easily. Just like that, when you accept too much work, you cannot handle it well. This picture makes the meaning very clear. Picture a person with a giant sandwich bigger than their head. Their mouth stretches wide trying to eat it. They struggle to chew the massive bite. This funny image perfectly shows the idiom's meaning. Listen to these real examples. By accepting 3 part-time jobs, Jack clearly bites off more than he can chew. Jessica bit off more than she could chew when promising to finish the worksheet in one sitting. Ryan advised her not to bite off more than she could chew by taking the night shift too. Here are similar expressions with the same meaning. Take on too much, overdo it, spread too thin, in over my head. All these phrases mean accepting more responsibility than you can manage. Now practice using this idiom. Try it in conversation today. Next time a friend accepts too much work, tell them they are biting off more than they can chew. Use it and remember the meaning forever.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.